How to create a newsletter in Brevo. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a newsletter using Brevo. Let's get started. First, head over to your Brevo dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Campaigns. Then, at the top right corner, click on Create Campaign. Next, select Email. Then give your campaign a name. Once done, click Create Campaign. Now, it's time to design your newsletter. To do that, click on Start Designing next to the Design section. Here, you will see a variety of pre-built templates to choose from. Pick one you like and click Use Template. Once inside the editor, you can customize your newsletter using the options on the left like section, save blocks, style, and even AI if you want help writing content. After you're happy with the design, click Save and Quit at the top right corner. Now, let's fill in the rest of the campaign details. To add recipients, click the Recipient section. To add your email subject, click Subject. And for any extra settings like sender, name, or reply to address, click Edit Settings. Once everything's filled out, the final step is to click on Schedule. You can choose to send it right away or schedule it for later. And that's it. You have successfully created and scheduled a newsletter using Brevo. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.